Want to know how to unlink your social account with Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, there are various ways to unlink your social accounts for Mobile Legends. So some of them can be done directly through the social media applications like Facebook, Instagram. But if you want to directly do it through the game, it is also possible. Now for that, simply open up your application, and once you're there, on the top right, just simply select your profile right here. Now once you've selected your profile, simply head towards account on the bottom. Now once you're at account, here you can see linked accounts within account settings. Now here you can see various accounts of mine is connected. Now the first one is the Facebook account. Just simply select it, and once you selected the account, you need to simply enter the confirmation, maybe a password or even choosing the account. And once that is done, your account unlinking should be successful. And that's it. I hope this video helped. You can also do this for multiple ones, but you need to do it manually one by one, so there is no possibility of doing in batch. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.